Working on a business letter or official document and want to add a watermark like confidential or your logo and already designed letterhead? Let me show you how to do it fast in Microsoft Word. Let's go. Click on the Design tab at the top of your screen. On the far right, click Watermark. You can choose built-in options like draft or confidential. Or prefer to use a custom text watermark. Then click on Custom Watermark. Choose Text Watermark. Type your text, set font and style, then click OK. For picture watermark, which will allow you to insert logo and letterhead, click Custom Watermark. Select Picture Watermark. Click Select Picture. Choose from a file to upload your logo or letterhead image. Use scale to adjust size. Uncheck washout so it shows clearly on your letter since it's a letterhead. If it's a normal watermark at the background, leave it checked. Click Apply, then Close. And just like that, your watermark is now on all pages, sharp, clear, and professional. Like, share, and subscribe to Praise Tech Studios for more smart Microsoft Office tips. I'm Douglas. See you next time.